Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide Outlook calendar details. So go to outlook.com on your web browser or open the Outlook app on your PC or any other device. Once you've logged in, click on the calendar icon right here so you can see all of your calendar. Next, go to the top tab right here and click on Share Calendar. Click on the Add button, add the email address of the person you want to share it with, or go to your contacts, click on Any Person, then click on OK. Basically, you can use any specific people instead of making it public. Now comes the important part. When setting permissions, choose Can View when I'm busy instead of Full Details. This way, others can only see that you're busy, but they won't see titles, locations, or notes of your events. Click on Apply, then click on OK. And just like that, your calendar details are now hidden and only the availability is visible to others. You can always come back here to change or remove access anytime. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.